Hello, this is Babs with Babs Lemonade Life coming to you with another wig review. This is Becky by Estetica. She's a basic cap. Her color is R8, golden brown. She's a long layered cut. Her stats are the front is 3.5 inches. The crown is 12 inches. The sides are 12. The back is 13 and the nape is 13. Now she's a very long cut, a long wig, and she's really too long for me, but I bought her with the intention of cutting some of this length off. But she has a lot of bounce, a lot of curls. She is a pretty wig. And let me show you all sides of her. Left side. Back. Right side. And the front. Now she is wearing me. She's really long, but I do like the bounce and the curls. Let me show you the cap. I have to take it off, and I have an earring stuck. Okay, she's basic cap. She has some soft fabric at the front, hook closures, open ear tabs for glasses, and just an extended nape. She's machine wefted, a lot of stretch, and this is an average size. Now my stats, I have a 22.5 circumference and an 8-inch length from my hairline to the bottom of my chin. So that'll give you an idea of how she would fit you. Let me get her back on. I bought her off eBay. I did get her really cheap for $30, but it was kind of a mystery as to what I was going to get, because I believe the lady I bought her off said she was Brittany, but the tag that came with her brand new did say Becky. Oh, I did notice though that when you look from the top, you can see some of these wefts at the top. So you want to, if you do buy this wig, you want to be sure to go in it here at the part, pull some of that hair up, and get it over the permatease, as well as camouflage some of those wefts. So I do like the curls. This is almost my natural color when it wasn't gray, before it turned gray. And when I had hair, I had a lot of hair like this. And I'll probably shorten her to about here. So I did get a good buy. And she's nice color. Nice texture. The hair's soft. Cute wig. So that was my review of Becky by Estetica. Hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.